Hi, so today I have something for you that shows you how to create a customized banner in Google Classroom. But not only can you create a customized banner, did you know that you can create an animated banner for Google Classroom? So I'm going to show you how to do that. Basically, what you're going to do is create a new Google slide and screen record your slide. And that's how you do it. So let's get started. So I've created a Google Slides. You're going to want to change the size of your slides so that it will fit the size that Google Classroom uses. So go to Page Setup. You're going to customize it, change inches to pixels, and you want it to be about 800 by 200 pixels because that is what Google Classroom loves for banner size. Then you're going to decorate your slide with whatever things you want. So I just found a bunch of images on by searching Google, going to insert image, and set up my classroom here. And then you're going to duplicate that slide numerous times. You can hold down Command D to duplicate a slide. And then you can see I've added my little Bitmoji there. So to get your Bitmoji in Google Classroom or anywhere else on your desktop, you're going to want to download the Bitmoji extension. So you can see I've got it right here. Basically, you're going to go to and sign into your Bitmoji account on your desktop and then download the extension for your desktop. And what that does is put this little icon here so that way your Bitmojis then will be available for you to copy and paste here. So when you're ready to add one to a slide, you simply click and drag it. You can see the plus sign turns green, it's ready to drag, or you can right click it and also save the image or copy the image. So you can see that I have just put my Bitmoji in different positions on each slide. So this is called stop motion animation. So you duplicate your picture, your scene, but then in each new scene you just move your avatar, your Bitmoji a little bit until you've got it all filled in all the way across the room and then you're done. So once you've got your Google Slides set up, your next step is to create a screen recording of it. So you can use programs like Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-Ify is another great one that's free to use. So I'm going to show you how to do the screen recording real quick. You're going to launch it and then adjust your screen size. And then you're going to record it. Now, as you can see in my demo here, you can see as that I'm clicking through. So make sure you move your cursor. If you have the cursor with the that shows a circle around it, move it out of the way so that doesn't get picked up in your video because you don't want to see that in your banner. Once you're done recording your screen recording, you're going to head to Screencast-O-Matic or Screencast-Ify, something like that. Both of those you can use. They both create GIFs. And you're going to edit opening your video editor. So I've got my file in here. I can choose edit so that I can edit this banner here. I can trim the edges if I need to, all of that. You want to make sure that you have the beginning and the end trimmed to where you want it, and then you're going to save it as a video file. Now for file type, you're going to make sure that you change this so that it's a GIF file, and then name it whatever you want to name it and hit publish. If it does ask you what size, you don't want to maximize the size, so if you get that popped up, I know that's on Screencast-Ify, you want to also get that as close to 800 as you can so that it's the correct banner size. Next, it's time to head on over to our Google Classroom, and instead of select theme, we're going to choose upload photo and select it from our computer. I've got mine saved right here, so I'm going to select that and open. And now it is uploading. When it's finished uploading, you can see it's already the perfect size because I set it up to be 800 by 200 just for Google Classroom, so just click and drag those to select, and then you're going to click Select Class Theme. And it's changing my theme now. And there you go. Now I've got my customized animated banner for Google Classroom.